We will widen the roads wherever possible to ease the traffic congestion in Shillong, said Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma few months after he became the Chief Minister of the state in 2018. Addressing a press conference then at the Old Assembly in Police Bazaar in the heart of Shillong, journalists asked him how he would take the state forward with so many inherited problems. Conrad K. Sangma said that his government would try to do even small things which would be very meaningful. One of these things was to ease the traffic congestion in Shillong, the Chief Minister said. With this understanding in mind, the National People's Party (NPP)-led Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government under his leadership was able to get an amount of rupees 12.5 crore from the Union Road Transport and National Highways under Central Road Fund scheme for widening the 3-kilometer stretch of road between Shillong bypass point at Mautawar locality and the Tri-junction at Maulai Moro. Speaking to the media, the Chief Engineer National Highways (PWD) Road, Bruce Marak, informed that the sanction for this double-lane road was made in December 2018 and it is expected to be completed by March next year and at the most by December next year. Marak also said the construction of this double-lane road got slightly delayed because of the incessant rain that the state received this year and also due to COVID-19 pandemic when a big chunk of the workers were unable to come for work. He also said the construction of the road also got delayed because the headmen in that area had to be consulted. Families took some time to part with their land free of cost for broadening of the road and also from the forest department took time to give the environmental clearance to widen the road. Marak also said that the construction of the road could go on smooth because there was no bridge construction which requires huge amount of money. On this road, there's only one culvert. This small initiative of the Chief Minister has become a reality. The Central Road Fund will also be implemented to widen the roads in 61 places in the state, Marak added.